Alrighty, guys. I appreciate you watching this video, coming to this page. Right now, we're in the process of launching one of the biggest launches online, helping people pay bills, put food on the table, all the necessities, home-based business. That's why we're called the home-based business owners. Hopefully, that's the name I keep. But I want to show you guys that there's companies out here that are utilized as opportunities. So this affiliate company has these services. So they have bill reduction, where pretty much they take certain bills, see if they can negotiate savings. If they find you any savings, you cut them like a 50% check of the savings, and then you lock in those savings. VIP travel, that's self-explanatory. Next is build benefits, international. So you can go here and shop at different places, get cash back and discounts, prescription, discount app, and Nexus rewards Zoom. So if you use Zoom or want to use Zoom, you can get the Pro Cedar for $12.99 a month. Simple services, right? What I learned in this world is it doesn't matter how high tier the service is. You have to show people opportunity and give them the ability to duplicate this stuff. You can have the best product, but where everyone fails at is the sales. That's why a lot of people don't start home-based businesses, because they're scared that they won't make any money, even though that should be the least fear. You have something and it's 50-50, right? That's all you should worry about. If it doesn't work, chuck it up, cancel it. If it's recurring like this one, go about your business, but at least you has a shot at greatness. The worst thing you can do in this economy is not look at things. So if you're seeing this on YouTube, if you're seeing this on the website, if you're seeing this on the ad, the biggest thing is you have opportunity. So what we're going to be doing is taking this small, low $50 opportunity. So this opportunity is $50 to unlock these benefits, and it's $9.97 to uphold these benefits. And on the side, they have an affiliate offer where they're going to cut you some commissions every time you help someone. So the biggest thing you can do is something that's super simple like this. Is you can talk about the benefits as well, but the opportunity is going to be at an all-time different level, because there's so many people with kids that want to stay home. There's so many people who just want to make up the difference so they can enjoy their life. There's so many people who actually want financial freedom, which I know that's a iffy word to use, but it really means that they can do what they want when they want. If they decide they do not want to work anymore, they can do that. And with these opportunities, one disclaimer I will tell you is, don't look at this like I'm going to put all my eggs in this. These companies come and go just like jobs come and go. They lay you off, they shut down. But this company's been around for years and years and years and years, which is a great sign. But you're going to learn some amazing things on this end, that you're going to take this mindset and you can promote 50 things over the internet. That's the king, is taking the foot off, the brake, and putting it on the gas and getting to work. There's so many people just like you that are watching this video simultaneously. There's so many people just like you who just need more in this economy. Some of you are doing great and you just want to have less stress. You want to keep that income up, but you just want to sit back and relax. And that's what I'm going to show you guys. I'm actually even going to give you a page. This page, you can duplicate it. I made this page around this opportunity. And every time you get someone who wants to also promote this on the internet, they can come here, click this, and there's steps on duplicating this. So you're going to have this same branded website where you can get out the gate, follow my marketing plan. We're actually working on a marketing plan right now, and I'm going to be running ads. I'm already on YouTube. I'm going to be doing reels. I'm going to show you guys how to do face accounts, faceless accounts on the reels. I'm going to even plug in some other resources that I use in my business, like ChatGPT Pro, which you're watching this now. I pay $20 a month for this service, and it's my own assistant. It's my own content creator. Like right here, I create a lot of thumbnails, content that I'm using as faceless in this software for the same amount of money you spend on a large pepperoni pizza at most places. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to show you guys how to utilize the money that you're wasting and how it can make you even more money, guys. So if you're seeing this video on YouTube, just look in the description for more info. If you're seeing this on the website, all you have to do is scroll down and there's going to be a button that says purchase your premium membership. Do this, or maybe even I get you in the direct messages and we're talking there, and we can, I can answer any questions that you have, guys. This is a automated business. Pretty much we're going to be pushing the numbers, helping family after family, and you guys are going to be getting paid weekly. and it possibly could change your life forever, guys. So, like I said, welcome to the website and hope to see you.